So here we have the finished Slingerland Sound King Duco 13x9 tom. I've refinished it and put on these replica lugs right here. I got some new tension rods as well because I didn't have any that fit. Every one I had was either too long or too short. I haven't had time to clean up the rims, so I kind of just wanted to get it put together for band practice. This right here is probably about the best area of the drum, so that's the side that I'm going to face towards the audience. On the bottom here, you can see that I have a Slingerland Sound King tom head. It's a single ply. I got this with one of my other Slingerland drums. And on the top here, I have a Remo X14 coated head. It's also a single ply. I like the way these single ply heads sound on vintage drums, and also they're nice and cheap. So let's put it on the snare stand and see how it sounds. I also have to get my camera set up real quick, so bear with me. Now let's see what it sounds like with a piece of gaff tape between two of the lugs. So there you have it. That's my 13x9 tom. As I said before, I'm just kind of using this till something better comes along. As of right now, I have a full Duco drum set, although each drum is somewhat of a different shade. So right now it's just a jelly bean set, so hopefully I'll get something that matches in the near future, and I could have a full matching Duco drum set to fit my obsession. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.